In today's video, I am going to teach you how to integrate Zapier with Google Sheets. Start by opening Zapier in your browser and going to your homepage. From here, look for App Connections. This is the area where Zapier manages the apps you have authorized, so it is the best place to connect Google Sheets before you build any automation. Click App Connections, then choose Add Connection. You may see Add Connection in more than one place on this page, depending on your layout. Either option works, as long as you are starting a new app connection. Once the connection window opens, click into the search field, then type Google Sheets to filter the list. When Google Sheets appears, click Google Sheets to select it. Next, click Add Connection again to begin the authorization process. Zapier will redirect you to a Google sign-in screen. Choose the Google account you want to use with Sheets. Make sure you pick the account that owns or has access to the spreadsheets you plan to automate. After you select the account, you will see a Google permissions screen. Review the access request, then continue through the prompts to allow Zapier to access your Google Drive and Google Sheets. This permission is required so Zapier can find your spreadsheets and add or update rows when your zaps run. Once you finish the permission step, you will be returned to Zapier and the Google Sheets connection will be created. At this point, your apps are integrated and you are ready to start building a workflow that uses that connection. Now, move to the Create area in Zapier. This is where you create new automations. Click Create, then select Automated Workflows to open the Zap editor. In the editor, click into the App Search field and type Google Sheets. This helps you quickly choose Google Sheets as either a trigger or an action, depending on what you want your automation to do. After you have entered Google Sheets in the search, click Start Building. From here, you can continue configuring your Zap using your newly connected account. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.